To work at MSys is a celebration to work culture and diversity. We encourage women to come and join us. Soon we'll be having a women hiring drive in Chennai. We are looking out for great creative minds who can bring creativity on the table. Looking forward to see you all women for the hiring process.
Hello, friends. Welcome to MSys, I would say, because we do believe in women empowerment. We already have a strong army of women working on different technologies for us, different projects, and they have been flourishing all with client appreciation, stakeholder appreciations, and all. And with a strong belief, we are really excited to have a drive in Chennai on 21st January for women. So we would love to see you there, and we would love to welcome you in MSys eventually. Thank you.
We at MSys, we really value the contribution of women at work. The reason we do that is over a period of time, we have realized what value women bring to the table. The dedication they bring to the work and the business is unmatchable and it's tremendous. I personally believe to have more and more women in my team, and I want to grow with women. Thank you. Please join us.
Hi, women out there. MSys is proud to be a workplace where women thrive and grow in their career. We create equal opportunity for all. Join us at MSys and be a part of employment journey.